Hey guys, it's Yels here, and today I'm going to show you how I made my Boku no Hero Academia training uniform cosplay. First, I made patterns out of an old shirt I don't wear anymore. Now I placed it on the fabric. You see there is an extra fabric, we're gonna use some of it later, but it's always good to have extra. Make sure you have 2 layers of fabric, because you're gonna need every part twice. Sketch the patterns on the fabric and then cut them. Now we're gonna sew the back of the shirt and the front of the shirt together. Make sure you don't sew where the sleeve is supposed to come. Now we're gonna sew the sleeve. Turn the shirt to its ugly sides and then place the sleeve where it's supposed to be. This is the neck piece, so connected to the neck area. Now we're gonna cut the details out of a white fabric. Place the details where they're supposed to go. Now sew it to the shirt.
僕らの上をすれすれに通り過ぎてったあの飛行機を不思議なくらいに覚えてる意味もないのになぜか不甲斐なくて泣いた日の夜にただ強くなりたいと願ってたそのために必要な勇気を探し求めていた残酷な運命が定まってるとしてそれがいつの日か僕の前に現れるとしてただ一瞬生きができるならどうでもいいと思えたその心をもう一度遠くへ行け ど僕の中で誰かが歌うどうしようもないほど熱烈にいつだって目を離した君が二度と悲しまないように笑うそんなヒーローになるための歌
Now for the sleeve details, so the white shape to bigger red shape. Now hem the sleeve. A sew zipper in the front. Hem the shirt and you're done. Sew the white details to the front of the pants. Sew the two legs front parts together. Now do the same with the back parts. Connect the back with the front on both sides. I use the zipper on the side of the pants, but you can also use elastic or buttons or anything else you want. I also left a place to connect the pocket I made. You don't need to do it, but I thought it will be way comfortable in cons and stuff. You're gonna take a fabric piece that looks similar to the neck piece and you're gonna connect it to the bottom part of the pants, like this, so when you flip it, it would look nice. Now you're gonna cut any loose threads you see. And you're done. This is the finished cosplay. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you tell me in the comments. It was also my first ever sewing tutorials, so I'm sure I did a lot of things wrong. If you have any advice how to make it better for next time, then make sure to tell me this or in the comments or in my Instagram. By the way, all of my social media will be linked down below, as well as my Instagram, Cosplay in Wonderland, and the channel Instagram, Cosplay Unite channel, so make sure to check it out. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay calm and keep on cosplaying. Bye!